Hey class, hello everyone, how are you all? A very good evening to all of you. Welcome everyone. So today, as the topic tells us, that I will be discussing the paper of Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so you must be thinking, sir, how many 200 questions in one go? So I will be only picking some questions, but the solution of both the papers you will get in the description box, so you can get the PDF from that part. Okay, so go to the description, you will be seeing some 2 PDF links. You can go to that PDF link and you can download those PDF to see the solutions. Okay, so I'll be discussing some questions so that you'll be able to have an idea that what were the some difficult questions or what were some tricky questions in those papers. Okay bachcho, so before I move ahead, also one more thing I would like to tell you all, do like and share this video. Also subscribe to this channel especially for grade 9th and 10th, exclusively for grade 9th and 10th, right? No other channel is only working for grade 9th and 10th, so do subscribe to this channel so that you'll be having all the updates about the part which will be coming in your these 2 years journey. Okay, now bachcho, let us look at these questions one by one. So the topic here is, first question is 2, then 13, then 67, then 271, then something, and then 1639. Okay, so now if you will look at the difference, 13 minus 2 will be 11. Okay, then 67 minus 13 will be equal to 4 and 54. So again, as you can see bachcho, ki here it is not making any sense. Okay, then you will also try to do something else as well, ki yaar sir, what I can do here. Okay, so this question I have kept it in the category of difficult ones. This question is kept in the category of difficult. Why? I'll let you know now. So the pattern here bachcho is bit difficult to identify. Actually 13. So you need to understand that since here no cube, nothing square, nothing is working. So that means using some number, they have created a third number, then some pattern, third number is fourth number, then some pattern fifth number, then some pattern sixth number, something like that they have been done. Okay, so these are the most difficult types of question. So the pattern here bachcho, as you can see here, ki from 13 to 2, how can we go? We can go in many ways, 2 plus 11 or 2 plus something like that. And 13 to 67 also we have to go in some way. So now if we will see one pattern is bachcho, if I multiply 2 with 6, okay, 2 with 6, and then I add 1, I'll get 13, right? So the first number I have multiplied with 6 and then I have added 1, I have got 13. The second number 61, as you can see, if I multiply 13 with 5, 13 5s are 65 plus 2 will give you 67, right? So now you can see the pattern. So the next part will be 67 into 6 5, so into 4, and 1 2, so plus 3. So 64 into 7, 67 into 4, what will be getting? 4 7s are 28 power 2, 24 25 26, so 268. So 268 plus 3 will be equal to 271. And then the next number you want, so 271 into 3 plus 4. That will be your number, 271 into 3 plus 4. So you'll be getting 813 plus 4, which is equal to 817. Okay, so the correct answer will be what bachcho? Option C, 817 will be your correct answer. Okay, so this was the pattern, bit difficult to identify, that is why I picked this question. Ki yaar, sometimes when the square part is not working, when cube is not working, when addition, subtraction, gap, nothing is not working, so the gap was eventually moving ahead too fast, so you know ki something multiplication has to be done. So multiplication, you saw square, cubes, nothing was working, so you need to understand in this way. Okay, let's move to the next question bachcho. The next question is OTTFFSSEN. Now it was like a good question. Actually this part na bachcho, many of you must have tried during that part ki sir, let's check the numerical value of the alphabets. So O is 15, T is 20, then again 20, then F is 6. Okay, so something like that. If you'll see bachcho, there is no pattern coming out there. Actually the pattern here is very easy if it clicks to you, but sometimes I understand, sometimes it's difficult to click. The pattern here is 1 O, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so 10. So option B should be the answer. Okay, so I've just wanted you to go through this question also as well, because sometimes the questions repetition is also there, so just go through this as well. Now next part, how many triangles are there in the given figure? Okay. So the question was how many triangles are there in the given figure, and as you can see bachon, the options are quite far away, right? 10, 19, 21, 23. Okay, so by 10th I know I obviously cancelled, because here if you'll see, first let us see ki yaar, if I'll talk about this part, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay, and 9 and 10 are only this. There are more than that. Combination is also has to be in. So by 10 is wrong. Now let's try to combine. So individual, by using only one figure, there are 10. Now let's combine two figures. So if I combine two figures, bachcho, so you can say, sir, 1 and 2 will form a triangle. Similarly, 3 and 4 will form a triangle. Similarly, 5 and 6 will form a triangle. Similarly, 7 and 8 will form a triangle, right? And then 9 and 10 will form a triangle, right? So 10 triangles were here, 1 2 3 4 5 triangles more. Then let's combine 3. By combining 3 you are not getting any triangle. By combining 3 you are not getting any triangles. Combine 4. So if I combine 4 bachcho, I will see 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Similarly 3 4 5 6. Now 1 2 7 8. Similarly 5 6 7 8. Okay, so what I have told, 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 7 8, and here as well. Okay, now two more triangles we have missed here. What are those? 9 and 3 and 10 and 4. So overall these are 7, and here 1 2 3 4. So 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 4 is 21. So the correct answer is 21. There is no other triangle. Okay, also if you remember bachcho, in this shape we have solved these kind of questions a lot many times. So we know in this there are total 16 triangles, and in this outer part 1 2 and combination of those 3, 16 plus 3 is 19. Now by combination of these two more extra triangles are there. One is this, other is this. So overall 21. So this can be done quickly as well. Okay, if you have practiced such kind of question, you will know ki sir, the below rectangle, whatever it is given, in that overall 16 triangles are there. Okay, let's move to the next question. So the correct answer is 21 triangles. Okay, the names also I have written very carefully. Now let's move ahead. The given was, what is the mirror image? Now I have told you bachcho ki in case of mirror image questions, the most important thing is elimination. So bhaiya, if the mirror is kept here, okay bachcho, tell you one thing, if the mirror is kept here, D will be very closer and D will come out as like this. So bhaiya, option A is wrong. B, this part can be true. D's image will be something like this. Third can also be true, and D is wrong, right? Now next part should be the image of N. It is showing image of O. It is also wrong, so directly C. Understood? So within 5 seconds this question will be done. So again I wanted to emphasize ki how much importance is the elimination technique in the MAT paper. So correct answer is what bachcho? Option C. Let's move ahead. Musk is 146816, then 0 is equal to what? Now this question was difficult. I would definitely say that this question was difficult. Okay, so how do we get the pattern part? Okay, so let's, bachcho ki if such a big number is there, obviously multiplication addition will not make sense. So let us write their alphabets numerical value. Okay, so what we have here, MNO 12, okay, and no, it is M is 13, U it is 16, S is 14, STU it is 11. Okay, now Not making any sense, right? These numerical values, they are not making any sense here. Correct. 13, 16, 14, 11, if you will join them, you are not getting any number here, right? So now bacho, I have told you to be numerical value now, you have to do it in two ways. One thing is starting keeping a as 1 and z as 26, and then the next is the reverse number. Total three types of numerical values I have told. One is dividing them into the two half, so which are the correspondent. Then starting keep a as 1, z as 26, and then z as 1, a as 26. Reverse order is also there. So the reverse value bacho, if you will find out their reverse value, what you will get to know ki musk, okay, if I go from a to z, so the values are 13, 16, 14 and 11. If I go from z to a, bacho, the m value will be whatever is this value from this part, 26 minus this value plus 1. Total 26 numbers are there. So 26 minus 13 plus 1. Plus 1 I have taught you in the part of sequence. Okay, that why plus 1 is being done, because both side rank 1 has to be added. Okay, this part has been counted twice. Okay, so 13, so 26 minus 13, 13 plus 1 is 14. 26 minus 16 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 26 minus 14, 26 minus 14 is equal to 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, and 26 minus 11, 26 minus 11 is equal to, 26 minus 11 is equal to 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. Achha, okay, I have done this value wrong, this value I have written wrong, na? Use value I have written wrong, that is what I was thinking. So E, J, O, T and Y, because T, 21 and it is 19. Okay. Sorry class, I have done the written value. That is why I would say na bacho ki direct, rather than going for EJOT rule na, always I have told you. How many of you, just give me a mention in the comment box, how many of you drew that part which I have told you ki A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J up to Z and write their numerical value so that we'll be directly using it. How many of you did that? Okay, just let me know in the comment box. Okay, so actually the U is 21, the S is 19. Now it will be correct. Okay, so 13, 21, 19 and 11. So this will become 14, and 26 minus 21 will be equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 19, 26 minus 19 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 will be 8, and this will be 16. So 1, 4, 6, 8, 16. So this is the reverse value of those is given. So now you have to find out the reverse values of 0. By Z's first value is 1. So Z value will be 1. So see, option D is wrong. So now we have to go for this way. Now E value will be, E is what? Fifth word. So 26 minus 5 is 21, 22. 22 should come here. So in the place of E, 22 should come here. 22 is coming only in option B. So B is the correct answer. No need to check further. Okay. So B will be your correct answer. So this is how it has to be done. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, by 15th August 2019 was Thursday, what day will be there on 15th August 2020? Now bacho, in this kind of question I have told you one thing ki yaar, always remember every year has 365 days, and if we divide it into the number of weeks, there are total 52 weeks and one odd day, one extra day. So the day for the same date, the next day will be one day ahead. But the main tricky part here was you have given the years as well. By 2019 is a normal year, but 2020 is a leap year. Leap year means there were 2 extra days. So all the days will be shifted by 2. So since it is Thursday here, 2 extra odd days. So Friday and Saturday. So Saturday will be correct answer. Those who have got Friday, bacho, you need to see that this was what? A leap year. So the correct answer is Saturday. If you have done Saturday, bacho, give me a thumbs up because you have remembered that what was leap year. Right? Chalo. And also mention in the comment box if you have done the such mistake, or if you have got it correct. Just let me know your feelings here, how you did the paper and what you got correct and what you not. Okay? Now bacho, let's move to the next question. if 40 persons shake their hands with one another, what will be the total number of shaking hands? Now this question was in the difficult category, those who have not understood permutation and combination. Okay, so I have actually tried not to, I've just covered the permutation part, arrangement part, because in one day if I'll teach a new topic, you'll be depressed. Okay, so if you will not able to get it, don't worry, one question so you can leave, but I would tell you how to do it. Okay, it has a simple formula. That formula is what? N into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, it is a simple formula. That is, formula is n into n minus 1 by 2. But I would like to tell you how we got that formula. By for a handshake, how many people do you need? You need 2 people. So out of 40 people, we need to get only 2 people. Okay, so out of 40, I can choose anyone. So I have 40 choice here. Then in the next part, I can say, sir, now I have 39 choice because first person is already chosen. Right? So 40 into 39, so you have got. Now why by 2? By suppose I am shaking hand with someone, let's say whom? Will Donald Trump I am shaking hands, or Donald Trump is shaking hands with me. In this part, they are saying both. See, first person, suppose if I chose me, and second person you have chosen Donald Trump. Second, in this part, first you have chosen Donald Trump, and second you have chosen me. So the arrangements are different. But in reality, by handshake, I am shaking hands with Trump, Trump is shaking hands with me, both are same thing, na? Right? So that is why here all the types are double types. So that is why we are doing by 2. So you'll say 20 into 39. So you'll be getting 780. So option B will be the correct answer. So you can directly remember this formula as well. In the higher grades, you'll be able to understand this question very carefully. So for now, you can say n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now in this question, what is this is the figure matrix question, right? Now this question was easy, but sometimes difficult to identify. By the numbers, if you will try to create, sir, 5 cube plus 4 square, something like that, it would take a lot of time. Just see, sometimes now the things are very simple, but it's not in front of our eyes, so you have to think very carefully. 5 into 1, 5. 4 into 2, 8. 2 into 2, 4. Right? Now 6 into 1, 6. 7 into 1, 7. 4 into 2, 8. So here 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 2 into 2, 4. So 694, where is 694? Yeah, 694. So option D will be your correct answer. 694, option D is your correct answer. Understood? So if you have got this answer not correct, or if you were thinking about it, let me know your experience. And if you thought, ki, sir, I thought did it like this, let us know. Okay, how it was. So this was the answer. Easy, but sometimes difficult to identify. Now this question, bacho. Here again the question of figure matrix only. If you will see row wise, bacho, row wise it is not making any sense. Okay, so I got to know ki, sir, it is column wise. This way they have given a number. But you see, something way they are creating 39, some way they are creating 38, some way they are creating what we should get here. So now bacho, if you do ki, suppose 3 plus 6 plus 7 will not work, so then you can say ki, sir, 3 into 6 is 18. 18 plus 7 will not be 39. Right? 6 into 7 is what? Yeah, 6 into 7 is 42. 42 minus 3 is 39. So 7 into 6 from bottom. 7 6 are 42, minus 3 is 39. Let's see whether it will work here or not. 8 5s are 40, minus 2 is 38. So now 9 4s are 36, minus 1 35. So the correct answer will be option A, which is equal to 35. Right? Let's move to the next question, bacho. Now this one question I have taken also in this part, because I just wanted to know you ki sometimes the blood relation questions are also very easy. Just it will take you one time to make the family tree. Once you are done with the family tree, all the questions will be done like this. So I'm just giving you an example how to make the family tree, because it is very important. The questions have been asked 5 questions and only 1 minute and 5 questions will be done. So it is very important part here. That is why I'm including here. So those who are still confused about this part, you can learn this part here as well. So, okay. So what is the question, bachon? Ki bhai, read the following. See, 41 to 45, 5 questions from a single topic. Okay. Now what they are saying here, in a united family, there are 6 members, A, B, C, D, E and F. A and B are married couple. I have told you, bachon, ki same generation will write here. A and B are married couple, right? A is a male member. So for male, I have taught you ki will do positive. So B is negative. B is female, right? Now, D is the only son of C, who is the brother of A. That means D is the son of C and C is brother of A. So brother part, bacho, you will write here. This is what? Married. This is what? brother and C had a son. So C is the brother, that means C is also A and D is also, sorry, positive. C and D both are male because D is the only son, right? E is the sister of D. So E is also sister of D and she is female. So E and D are the children of C, where C is son, E is daughter, because this is the, D is the only son. Okay. B is the daughter-in-law of F. B is the daughter-in-law. Who will be, see, B is the daughter-in-law for whom? For A's mother, whoever is A's mother, for A's mother, B will be the daughter-in-law. That means they are telling ki bhai A's mother or father-in-law. So B is the mother-in-law of, daughter-in-law of F, whose husband has died. So that means she is mother-in-law. So who is this? B. Sorry, B is daughter-in-law of F. So this is your F. And her husband has died, that means she is female as well. So this is your family tree, right? By F is the mother or grandmother, you can say here. A and C are brother. A is married to B and C has two children. D is son, E is daughter, right? Now once we are done with this part, see how easily all the questions will be done. How many male members are there in the family? See, A, C and D. Only 3 male members. Correct answer is 3. Let's move to the next question. How is F related to C? How is F related to C? So what you can say, F is mother of C. By F is mother of C. Correct answer is C. As simple as that. Let's move to the next question. Who is C to B? Who is C to B? So by C, B is what? B is C's brother's wife. So I can say C is brother-in-law of B. C is brother-in-law of B. As simple as that. Now, how is F related to A? F is mother of A. Where is mother? Option D is correct answer. F is mother of A. How is E related to C? How is E related to C? So I can say E is daughter of C. E is daughter of C. Okay. So, bachcho, once you are done with these kind of questions, see, it took me 1 minute, but then just the diagram was there, just the family tree, and I have got all my answer. That is why I am telling you, yaar, ki sometimes these questions which comes in a pair, very helpful, yaar. 1 minute you will use and all 5 questions done. Done. Other 5 questions will take you 5 minutes. 1 minute, all the 5 questions done. That is the importance of these kind of questions. Never miss those kind of questions. That is why I've included this part specially into it. Okay, bacho. Now, if you the whole answer key of each and every question is provided in the description box. Go to description box, you can download the PDFs and check your answers and count your marks. Okay, do let us know your marks, how much marks you are getting. Also, like and share to this channel, bachcho. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video if it has helped you. Okay, and do download the Vedantu app, bachcho. You are getting first thing exclusive classes by the master teachers. I know many of you must be liking, you must have attended the master classes, right? And free study material is there, practice tests are also there. Also, you can join the Telegram group. Many students are solving their doubts there, they are posting their doubts, they are interacting with each other. You can also be a part of it, and like and share to this video, which is very important for us. Do give me a like, do share this video if you love this part, and subscribe to this channel, bachcho. Press the bell icon so that you'll get each and every notification. Okay, bachcho. So this is all from my side in today's class. I'll be back soon with the solution of 2 more states paper, and again some handpicked questions by me from those part. So we'll be discussing some more and more questions. So till then, bachcho, bye bye, good night. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, bachcho. Bye bye.